Hi, welcome to Codehunters. In this short video, we will see how we can generate barcode for any text or numbers without using any third-party tools directly in the Excel. I have this Excel file open and I have the order IDs and I want to generate the barcode for these IDs. So we would like to have our barcode in the column B, so we'll name this column as barcode. Next, we would like to convert these into text format. For that, we'll select the order ID column and right click on it and click on the format cells. First we'll click number and then we'll click on the text and then we'll click OK. So this will convert this into a text and it will also preserve the leading zeros like you can see it here. Next we will like to add a star in to start and end of the text. So for that we'll write a formula. The formula will be equal to double quotes asterisk double quotes ampersand to add, and then we'll select the cell and then we'll again give an ampersand and then star, and that's it. So it will add one star in front and one at the end, and then we can drag all the way to last so that this formula gets copied. The next step is to select all the text in the barcode field and change the font to CIA code 39. And the barcode has generated, but you are not able to see it. So to fix this issue, you can select all those rows and right click and click on the row height and give a row height of around 35. And now you can see we have the barcode created for each of the order IDs. So these barcodes are dynamic, which means if you change any of the text in the order ID, the barcode will automatically get updated. Like if I change this to something else, it gets updated. I have used CIA code 39 font, which is available for free in dafont.com. If you don't have the font, you can download the font and install it from dafont.com. The link is also provided in the description below. Hope this video has helped you and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.